Hi there viewer, thank you very much for taking the time to watch. This is an African red-billed hornbill which I recently recorded in the Kruger National Park. Initially when I came across the bird, I thought it was dead, lying on soft sandy soil. I then took the time to actually walk closer, upon which I noticed it was actually alive. Then started recording and noticed that it would doze off, wake up, scratch and do it all over again. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe and share.